Is she after your toys? Yeah, she keeps wanting your semi-truck. You can do it.
No.
You gotta share with her, remember?
Yeah.
Maybe you should give her something else to play with. Here she comes. She has been stalking him all over the entire living room. That's nice, buddy. There you go, Brittany. That's really nice, Brixton.